TAGZmania review video. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Epic Product Reviews here, back today with another video. And today I'm going to be showing you the product TAGZmania. So why don't we dive into it? Alright, so first off in this review video, I'm going to be telling you guys about TAGZmania. And as well as that, I'm going to be walking you through the training course of TAGZmania. So, now let's dive into what TAGZmania is. So, what's TAGZmania, you may be wondering? I shall tell you now. TAGZmania is basically a training course all about hashtags, right? So, if you don't know what hashtags are, if I go into the search engine, I'll type in a hashtag for you now. That is a hashtag. So, you always probably see these, right? So, that is a hashtag. Now, this basically tells you all about them and what you can do with them, honestly. There's a lot of things you can do with them, like make money. So, this course helps you with that. Now, here, I'm going to be showing you around the training course. So, on top, we have get the pro version, do support, log out, and are you ready to be elite? So, pro version is basically upgrading. This is basically upgrading. As well as that, you have support. And this is the Elite Tigers group. And then you have log out, which basically logs you out of your account. And you have are you ready to be elite? Now, that is basically that. As well as that, we now have all of these modules to look at. So, this is the welcome. With the welcome from Dawud Islam. We have the welcome from Shelly. And you have the welcome from Nickaldo, which is super cool. So, basically, you have these three creators. They are there, and they're welcoming you into the course. So as that, you have overview of TAGZmania, where Nickaldo gives you an overview. Main training section, introduction to training, module 1, what's a hashtag, history of hashtags, hashtag basics, why use hashtags, hashtag tips, 6 ways to find hashtags, module 1 conclusion, how to use the resources. Now, basically, that is that. If I did go a bit too fast, you can simply slow down the video. But anyway, carrying on. Module 2 training. Introduction to training, module 2. Overview. How to use Twitter hashtags, Facebook hashtags, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, Tumblr, and you have course, the conclusion at the end, just like always. Efficient. As well as that, you have resources, brown bear bargains, and free squeeze pages. You also have a conclusion here, which is really good because it concludes absolutely everything, which is really great. And if you want to dive further in, simply just, like I said before, upgrade your version of the course. Now, I would like to point this out. If you do buy TAGZmania from my link down below in the description and in the comments, you will get a free bonus. Now, that's super cool. Everyone loves bonuses, and why not grab your copy of TAGZmania and get the bonus right now? Anyway, carrying on with this. We then have bonuses here. Upgrades, like I said, you can also get there. And you can get unadvertised bonuses. Now, that is pretty much all around the course that you're going to need. Now, as well as that, you're on my YouTube channel right now. You're watching my review video. So, if you see that button and it's red, please, please, please click it, and then it'll become great. Because thank you so much. You just subscribed to my YouTube channel. Now, I really think I really appreciate that because, I just really love doing these review videos for you guys, for your benefit, and you will learn more about the reviews, and the more subscribers I get, the more reviews I do. So basically, it's a win-win, isn't it? Now, here you see the bell. If you click all, it means you will always be notified whenever I post a new review, just like this one, maybe just like this one, or any one of these. Now, that basically means that you will get a notification over here, and then when you get that notification, you can click on it and it'll take you straight to my video, which is super cool. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this review video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Like down below. Thank you so much. This is Epic Product Reviews, signing out.